Next topic is Kohlrausch law. Kohlrausch law: at infinite dilution, the molar conductivity of an electrolyte is the sum of the ionic conductivities of the cation and anions. Example for AX and Vy. Next topic is how to predict the product of electrolysis when an aqueous solution of an electrolyte is electrolyzed. If the cation has higher reduction potential than water, cation is liberated at the cathode. Otherwise, hydrogen gas is liberated due to reduction of water. Similarly, if an ion has higher oxidation potential than water, anion is liberated. Otherwise, oxygen gas is liberated due to oxidation of water. Discharge potential is defined as the minimum potential that must be applied across the electrodes to bring about the electrolysis and subsequent discharge of ion on the electrode. Next is Faraday's law of electrolysis. First law of Faraday: the amount of substance deposited or liberated at cathode directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passed through electrolytes. W proportional I into T. प्रोपोर्शनलिटी यहाँ से हटेगा. W इक्वल टू I इंटू T इंटू Z एंड I इंटू T इक्वल टू Q. सो बी राइट W इक्वल टू Q इंटू Z, where I current in ampere, T time in second, Q quantity of charge in coulomb, and Z is the constant known as electrochemical equivalent. When I equal to 1 ampere, T equal to 1 second, then Q equal to 1 coulomb and W equal to Z. Thus, electrochemical equivalent is the amount of the substance deposited or liberated by passing 1 ampere current for 1 second. Second law of Faraday for electrolysis: when the same quantity of electricity is passed through different electrolytes, the amount of the substance deposited or liberated at the electrode are directly proportional to their equivalent weight. Thus, mass of A divided by mass of B equal to equivalent weight of substance A and equivalent weight of substance B, or weight of W1 by W2 equal to E2 by E1. Hence, electrode potential equivalent is directly proportional to equivalent weight. Next topic is batteries. Batteries, these are source of electrical energy which may have one or more cell connected in series. For a good quality battery, it should be reasonably light, compact, and its voltage should not vary appreciably during its use. Primary batteries. In the primary batteries, the reaction occurs only once, and after use over a period of time, battery becomes dead and cannot be reused again. प्राइमरी बैटरी का एग्जाम्पल्स ड्राई सेल और लैक्लांसी सेल. सेकेंडरी बैटरीज, these cells or batteries can be recharged and can be used again and again. Example: lead storage batteries,